last 5, your assigned heading is 155. Runway 161. You're clear for takeoff.
Again, 81 PR, Qantas 7474 is airborne passing 900 and runway
7474 departures, very good afternoon to you. Are identified and advisor and ready for the right turn.
Ready now, thanks.
7474, turn right as required, the position for 4 mile final for runway 07.
Right as required for 4 mile final 07, Qantas 7474, maintaining 1005.
Qantas 7474. Qantas 747, do you have time for a quick word?
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you what, quick one for you. 3000 to the
traffic control, and controllers around the country, to say that it's been our pleasure to guide you through the skies safely. In fact, the queen of the skies through our airspace over the last decade. And on this bittersweet day, as we all suffer through this COVID crisis, on behalf of Australian people all over the country, many of whom have flown with you, it has been an uplifting experience to once again see Qantas raising the spirit of Australia with the flying kangaroo. Godspeed.
Very much, we're all tearing up here, and we'd like to experience 3000.
Well, this is the end of an era, isn't it? So for the very last time, from Sydney Air Traffic Control at least, I know you've got some others to talk to en route, but a very fond farewell. We've enjoyed having you, and contact centre now on 128.6. Ta-da.